Hello. Thank you for watching this video, part of our series on reasons you should migrate to Altiris 7.1. This video is going to cover some of the features that are in Altiris 7.1. I've spent a lot of time in previous videos covering the console and the changes to that. So if you're interested, go ahead and watch those videos and come on back. The screen you're looking at is the Altiris 7 console, 7.1 console. One of the questions that I always get asked when I demo the Altiris 7.1 system is, does deployment solution work? That is, can I actually use one management platform to capture, deploy images for my machines along with patch management, software delivery, asset management, etc.? And the answer to that question is yes, it works. Altiris 7.1 and imaging works. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the things that I can do deployment-wise. Go ahead and take a look at first some of the settings that I can do. People always ask, well, Jonathan, what about Pixie and how does Pixie work? As you can see, I have a setting here that deals with my Pixie and Pixie server configurations and how they work. You can see I can take a look at whether it responds to predefined computers, responds to unknown computers, and my different settings for my Pixie servers. Also, I can manage my pre-boot configurations all through the management platform. So as you see, I have a bunch of pre-boot environments here. So let's take a look at this one called demo environment. Now, knowing me, I probably misspelled environment, so you can laugh at me for that. But you can see it's both x86, x64, and gives me the options both for Pixie and for an automation folder. If I need to, I can recreate that boot environment by clicking on Recreate, and it automatically will do that in the background for me. You can see that this deployment is not used in any tasks, but I can add it into my deployment jobs. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the deployment tasks or options that we can have. So I have a task set up to capture my personality using my PC transplant, and then I'm also working on building my capture image job and my deploy image job. Let's go ahead and create a new task to deploy an image, and I can show you how that works here. We don't actually finish this, but we do have options to create it. So I can select an image that I have pre-set up, any product keys that need to be entered in there. Am I using hardware independent image and generating a sysprep file, if I can do that, and then finally images or credentials required to join the domain. System looks a little bit similar when I go to create an image. Whether I'm using Ghost or Rapid Deploy. The image type is whether that's a disk image or a backup image, and it has more information here. And I can build that into my jobs and tasks for imaging. Once again, we do have that option of drag and drop, so I can drag this over to my image job. Not complete, but it will work. Let's go ahead and put on that capture image. And it launches the task to go ahead and capture the image if I wanted to do that. Other areas for improvement feature-wise, I've talked about some of the enhanced platform support. Patch management gives me the ability to patch Adobe and Microsoft on the Windows front. I can also patch Red Hat Linux and also SUSE Linux. Deployment-wise, I have the ability to deploy both Red Hat Linux, SUSE Linux. Leveraging a Mac server, I can image Mac machines. And of course, imaging my Windows machines. Some other areas of improvement is within virtual machine management. If you look under here, I have an action called virtual machine management, and it allows me to create a VM. This is pretty cool because it supports both Hyper-V and VMware. So what I do is first populate this with a list of my systems that will run my VM, and then I can actually provide the information for building my VMs. Added features, I've talked a little bit about IT analytics and reporting in a previous video. You can go ahead and watch that conversation. But we're really excited here at ITS on how the system's running, the features that are involved, the ability to leverage IT analytics, enhanced platform support, enhanced reporting. So if you have any questions about added features or benefits within the Altiris 7.1 platform, feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email. I'd love to either spend time in a demo or a further conversation with you and your organization. Once again, thank you for the time to watch this video and have a great day.